Today's video is going to be really casual. I'm going to be organizing my studio with you, which is something I've been wanting to do for so long, so hopefully you guys are excited to see kind of what I did with the space. I really wanted to tidy up my makeup collection because I really wasn't using any of my products because I couldn't see them and I was just getting frustrated. When you see the clip, you'll see why, because I really couldn't open my Alex 9 drawer. And yeah, so this is going to be a video all about organizing my studio. Please be quiet. Sit down. Thank you. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I like to do a lot of organization videos here on my channel, and I think the next big one that I have to tackle is my pantry. So if you guys want to see that, or if you have any other organization video requests, leave them in the comments down below because I'm always looking to hear from you guys. And let's jump into this video. So I wanted to start off by letting you guys know what containers I purchased. So I actually went to the Container Store, and if you guys know, I'm from Canada, so we don't have the Container Store here, unfortunately. So I went down to Seattle and I picked them up. You can order online to Canada though if you want to do that. It's just like really expensive. So yeah, I got containers from the Container Store, and these are acrylic, kind of like they're labeled as shoe or sweater drawers. So I will have all of them linked down below if you want to check them out. I got a lot of the large men's shoe drawers, so those are the ones that are going to be holding the bulk of my makeup. I got some large sweater drawers, I think, which are for taller items like hair care and stuff like that, and skincare and stuff. And then I got other ones, I don't know, I can't remember the names of them, but I'll have them linked down below so you can check them out. And of course, if you guys watch Desi and know about her makeup collection, this is what she uses to organize her makeup, so that's where I got the inspo. I really like the way she did it, and it's just really nice to have them in clear bins so you can see what you have and you get to use everything in your collection. So that is what I used, but the first thing that I wanted to tackle was actually my bathroom cabinet. Is it like, it's the thing under my sink in my bathroom. It was atrocious. This is a clip of it. So ashamed. This is what it looked like. RIP to me because it's so gross. But I did go ahead and take a couple of the, I think they're women's shoe bins. These ones are a lot smaller, and so I stacked 3 on the one side and 1 on the other because that's what it fit with all my hosing in the back. And this worked out really well. I wanted to have one for sheet mask, and I wanted to have one for tanning, and then I wanted to have one for tampons. So yeah, I just organized these accordingly and then kept the bigger bottles and stuff in the middle, tidied everything up so nicely. So I highly recommend that if you're looking for containers for a small space. These ones worked so great. And now we're gonna go ahead and cut to a clip of what my closet kind of makeup storage looked like before we got started on this. Here is what the studio currently looks like with all of the bins and the containers in. We got, I know, 6 boxes of the large shoe drawers. We got some more of them over here, a couple of the big ones. I think I ordered 4 of those ones, and there's some more over here. And we're gonna probably like clear out the closet first and then just put things back in. So this is what it currently looks like. There's a lot going on. So as you guys can probably tell, here, I'll move the plants so you can see better. Here is a look at what the closet looks like currently. As you guys can see, my Alex 9 drawer needs to go because it just is breaking. It doesn't hold anything, and I don't even open the drawers because they're too hard to close. So that is gonna go. I'm gonna clean it all out. And then we're also gonna be getting rid of this 4 square calyx. So there's 4 different cubbies. We're gonna get rid of that. Just kind of clean everything up. All the clothes will probably stay. I mean, I might move them just for the time being, but I have a lot of dresses in the back, and then these are clothes I want to sell. And then there's like purses and stuff in the back here, so that all needs to be organized. But the main thing is I need to get this out of here and clean it out and put all of the makeup from here into the new containers, and that way we can see kind of where we want to go from there. Hopefully that gives you guys a good idea of what we are working with here. So once I kind of pulled the Alex 9 drawer out into the living room, I unboxed all of the boxes. Apologies if you can hear the construction down below. Not a fan of it. But anyway, so yeah, I took all the containers out of their boxes and started sorting the makeup into different sections. I also purchased dividers for these, so it broke it into 6 different sections, or if you use one divider, it will make it into 3 sections, which makes it really easy for things like glitter and powders and liners and stuff like that. It's really nice to have those dividers to keep everything separate. And for my like liquid lipsticks and stuff, I did want to organize them by brand, so that is how I did it with the dividers. So yeah, this is kind of what it looked like. It was a huge mess, as organizing usually does look like, but we got through. And then here is a clip from the day after, I think. Hey guys, it is Monday and we are making progress on the filming studio. We actually took off the closet doors last night, Cody and I, and then we just like put the fluff there so it doesn't damage the wall, and we got the calyx in and it fit good, so that's good. The clothes need to be pushed a bit more, but this is kind of what it looks like. It's all very messy, and then I'm keeping this calyx here that has the drawers here and then the cupboards here just for now. I'm probably going to replace this with a dresser at some point, but for now this is what it's going to be. Everything else in here is a large mess though, as per usual. And even our living room is completely covered in stuff. So this is fun, and our bed back there too. It's a mess. And then someone's coming to pick up this because we sold it on some selling thing. And then we're gonna transfer all of these bins into the closet, hopefully, and then build the rest of them so I have even more storage. Okay, update, we have all of the boxes installed. Well, not all of them, because I do still have a bunch of these. I think I have probably about 8 more of them, so I can fit more of them in here if I wanted to. I was gonna do 5 across and then have those ones, but I do need some room for dresses, so I'm gonna just probably stack them upwards now instead of over. The only thing is I have more of these ones that I can stack up. I think I can probably do one more here, and I do have a full another bin of products here that I haven't gone through. Hi snakes. And then I have these larger ones which actually don't really fit anywhere, so I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with these, but I do have like hair products in one, and then I have one that's sitting over there that has skincare in it, so I'm not super sure what I'm gonna do with this. Literally this whole drawer is just Batiste dry shampoo at the bottom. I have a lot of them, so yeah, I kind of have to figure that out because I do really want to get rid of this and sell it, because this is what was in the closet before, and if I get rid of all the stuff in there then I won't need it. But I definitely need something that has a lot of storage to go here, either like a dining room type of thing or a dresser that has a lot of drawers, so we'll see what that kind of does. I don't know. I'm gonna keep the calyx for the meantime, but I definitely want to get something a little bit nicer. As you guys can see from that clip, everything is coming along nicely and everything's looking a little bit more organized. I mean, not really, but like a little bit. So yeah, that is what midway through looked like. And then I just filmed a clip literally right now of what it looked like right now, what it does look like currently right now when it's finished. So let's roll that. Okay, so obviously we haven't put the closet doors back on. Those will be going on tonight, but this is what the closet looks like. It looks a little bit more cluttered than when you saw it last, because we added 4 of these bins, another one of those, which literally this is all tanning products, which is kind of insane. And then I added this one on top of here, which is all makeup removing wipes. These are extra dividers for the bins. We got brushes back there. Obviously I have a lot of really cute PR stuff, so we got some rollerblades from Too Faced. These are kind of my most used liquid lipsticks, and I love this liquid lipstick stand, so I wanted to utilize that. We got a little Maybelline train case back there, Smashbox Squad hat there, and then my perfumes, and then my travel light up mirror. I just didn't really have a place for a lot of those things, so that is where they're going to live. Hopefully that's cool. And yeah, it's looking really good, a lot more tidy, and you know, the whole top section of this is another story, but I'll deal with that later. And then on the sidewall, which you guys saw already, I put the calyx, put the drawers back in, and then filled that with a bunch of random stuff. I have like hair tools and hair products that I use regularly over here. We got, I don't know what else we have, like another little train case kind of thing. At least all of those you can't see, and they're tucked away. These, however, I didn't know where to put them, like I mentioned, but they ended up here. They don't look horrible, but I don't totally love them, so they will be moving eventually. But for now, they're okay. We got extra skincare, we got extra hair care and body care, more hair products, and then that is a giveaway bin. We got some cute PR stuff that I don't want to get rid of on top, and then just some paper that I use for DIYing or wrapping presents, and then just a cute little setup there. Got another little plant over there, and then down below we have a basket with giveaway stuff here. And for those of you that maybe will comment it or maybe thinking it, yes, I do own a lot of makeup and beauty products. I am fortunate enough to be on a lot of PR lists and have for quite a few years, so I'm super grateful. And the products that I don't use or aren't my shade, I definitely donate to women's shelters in the local area. But I also have a lot of friends and family that love makeup too, and a whole dance community that loves makeup too. So I do give a lot of my product to them, which is really great because I love to spread that generosity and let girls try products they wouldn't maybe go pick out on their own, which is super cool. So it's nice to like trying to be a lamp right now. Can you not? And there you have it, folks, from start to finish, my organization process for my makeup collection and my closet in my filming room. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and check out my closet declutter video that I did kind of similarly to this one, and I plan on doing some more. So if you want to see them, let me know in the comments. I love them. They're so much fun, and hopefully you guys got some cleaning inspo or organization inspo for your own home. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Have a great day.